Hey, welcome back. This is Diane. In this video today, we are continuing with our website Diilzo. I'm just showing you my latest project, and here is so far. Like if you see, watch the last video, you find I did a video about it, and I want to show you how far I've reached. So to begin with, I just need to log in. Now I'm going to log in and put I already have my passwords and I can log in. Then you find I'm greeted with my dashboard, but I just want to go back to customer view because Diilzo has 3 dashboards. Dashboard for buyer, dashboard for seller, dashboard for both buyer and the seller. So that account was only for seller. When you log into seller's account, when you click here, you'll see a link to the dashboard for seller. And likewise, also if you have your account is created as a buyer, then you'll see account here for a buyer, right? Then let me go to products. And the new updates that I've made so far, this adding to the wish list. And when you click here, it adds these products to wish list. And when you come back to that product again, you should be seeing a love icon there, showing that it's already in your wish list. So also I added filters, and in the filters, I managed to be able to collect all the items in that category. Like for example, how many products in agriculture category will indicate here, how many in electronics, how many in fashion, and how many in home and kitchen, which means when I upload products, then the group I selected will just update them here. Then I can be able to choose prices under a low and 25, then it can only fetch products below that. I can likewise choose products with 10% discount, and let me see, to go back, I want to have that. I can say 10% discount, or it only filters products which are 10% discount, right? Then another changes I did was also it fetches product according to products which are rated as 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, and you can see I'm only fetching here products which are 4-star. And if I go here, I don't know if I have product for 1-star. Yeah, I do still have products under 1-star here. Then it can fetch products 1-star. All right, so that's so far how it is, and I will let you know my next update. Leave me a comment what else you want me to improve. And one more thing I need to show you is under my, when you go to the product detail, I like that thing Amazon did. It's even there in eBay. And when you hover on the product, it gives you a detail of that product there. Then it gives a zoom effect and a mirror zoom effect. Then you can see that's it. And even if you go to another image, then you can see what it does. I like that. Those are the new changes that I've made. Then another one is you can be able to see the views here, people who review product, and see total review just like that. And you can see I have that. So my next thing is also one of the things also I did was also making these things to work. I can be able to share this product in a LinkedIn and WhatsApp, and that's it. And please, if you are new in this channel, please consider subscribe. And to update you, all of this project is done with Django as the backend and some JavaScript, Ajax, and HTMX, special for the search bar here. For the search bar, if I start searching for products, you can see all the products pop up. Products the name starts with A pops up. Now, if I do with Apple, then you can see products which carries name Apple just pops up. Can be the iPhone, can be MacBook, and all related Apple products, as long as the name Apple is there. So this functionality is done with the Django and HTMX. So that's how I achieved it. Right. So please, if you like this website, and leave me a comment, and if you want me to update some things, add new changes, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you. Please subscribe and share. See you in another video.